Mustafa from Sweden.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Yes, Sheikh, my question is there a hadith that says that whoever goes before the Imam that Allah may change his head into a donkey? Is this a kind of thing? What does that mean?
The Prophet ﷺ is intimidating and scaring people from moving before the Imam. And moving intentionally before the Imam is one of the things that invalidate a prayer. So if I know that the Imam is still in the ruku' position and I rise up before him, immediately my prayer is invalid. Now, in regards of this hadith, the hadith is stating, don't one of you, maybe the proper grammatical way of saying it, fear that if he raises his head before the Imam, that Allah would turn his head into a donkey's head. This is a way of scaring people, warning people. Will it happen? This is in Allah's hand. The question is, can Allah make it happen? Of course. But will it happen? No one can say yes. This is a question from the Prophet ﷺ to scare people from moving before the Imam. And unfortunately, many worshippers fall into this mistake. They see the Imam in front of them, going to sujood. While going to sujood, he says, Allahu Akbar. Some of them, immediately after hearing him saying, Allah, they're already on the ground, prostrating before he's done. And they know that they're racing with him and that they are moving before him. This invalidates their prayer and they're sinful for that.